TravelDog here, and we are near Wisley Gardens, and today we are basically testing out this new Hero Black 12. So I just want to see how it works, and in the process we're going to walk to the Disused Airfield near here, the Semaphore Tower, and have lunch at Ockham Bites cafe, and we'll see some pigs or cows on the way home. So let's see what this Hero Black 12 is like. And we literally got outside and it's pouring with rain, but the pug is still going. Come on, pug, let's keep going. So this is the M25 improvements, apparently. This is a big bridge we're going to go over in a second, which Jeff doesn't really like going over. Okay, so we're heading up this bridge on widescreen. I've put it on now. There's all sorts of different ways of using this thing, and the media mod should have my voice back and front. It's a real pain before, so it should hear me the same from here as from here. And here we are on the bridge. Here we are wandering up towards the airfield now. You've got this weird sort of desolate bit of, what would you call it, tarmac on the way here. Still on the wide screen as part of the testing. We got one battery on 91%. Still heading up towards the airport, and now the GoPro is on super view. I don't know what super view means. Oh man, that's weird. I look different on super view as well. Okay. Kind of majestic as you get up to these bits, isn't it? These lovely little wispy trees. Mad horizon in the distance as you're about to get up to the airport. Kind of rather beautiful, really. Okay, so I put the thing on hyper view now as we arrive at Disused Airfield, which is here. Whoa! And there goes my hat. Jeff, get my hat. Yeah, good boy. Get that. Oh, right. Back on, and here we are at the Disused Airfield again with the new Hero Black 12 HDR midget trying to pull a stone. So I guess hyper view is just like a super mad wide-angled view of everything. Here we go. It's quite good for the airport. Here we go. Oh, it is windy and wet out here today, everybody. Windy and wet. The airfield is cool. Miraculous, it always is. Anyway, back in linear recording, and it's windy out here today. Super windy, man. Super windy and wet, but kind of fun. Oh, here we go, pug in the wind with his ears flapping. Come on, pug in the wind. So it's still on the basic linear GoPro thing, so this is not one of the super wide ones. It's just like a more straightforward normal. So this says it's apparently horizon lock, full 360 rotation. So what happens if we full 360 rotate? Does it lock the horizon? No idea. What happens if you go wobbly? Oh yeah, the horizon does. And you can tilt the thing and it doesn't tilt. It's really weird. So you can see from the map how far we've got down the airfield now. I don't think we started right at the far end of it. We're going to start right at the far end down there. And we won't go all the way here because it leads you out in a moment. GoPro now on level, but not. Oh yeah, you see, it goes weird like that. It hasn't got a horizon lock on it. So that horizon lock, which is nice. Maybe why? Maybe it's cooler like that. Okay, so this is just basic wide, and here we go. Basic wide. It's quite nice. It's beautifully green here today because of all this rain. Pug is still doing well. Come on, Pug. Wow, it's wet and windy, man. Pug. There's a really good weird sort of spaceship section over there. I don't know if you can see it. I'll have to zoom in afterwards on the thing, but it is over there. Okay, but let's put it on super view now as we wander out, wandering away from the airfield now. Airfield now behind us. We're wandering off down here. This is the route that gets back to sort of Ockham Common essentially, and we'll now walk up to like the Semaphore house where they used to you know, send semaphore light messages across the country, I guess. Nice little bit here with a few chickens. Smells like these chickens. Hello chickens.
Chickens.
The chickens. I love the chickens. Hello chickens. Oh, you can see it's really hyper view. It's really round, isn't it? Okay, so across the road with the Pug. So there's a bit of tricksy bit. And now we are on the way to the Semaphore Tower. Let's keep going. Okay, on hyper view at the moment. This crazy boy has got a massive stick, which is probably going to be whacked into my face. Dangerous mini bridge up ahead. Come on, Pug.
Sorry, the Pug.
Huh? I think he'll be okay on the mini bridge.
Dogs.
Pug's going for the mini bridge. Jeff, no, you can cross the bridge with me, look. Whoa. Nice one, Pug. Whoa, sorry Jeff, Daddy's... Sorry Jeff, sorry. Sorry darling. So let's walk through this lovely forest. This is hyperview. Don't know if that's good or bad for a forest. It does make everything look a bit curved, but it's kind of cool. You've got quite a vibe of movement with the hyperview on, haven't you? As you speed through the forest floor. Fauna. Well, funky like actually. It's got a good moving feel to it, hasn't it? You're really moving. Really nice bit of forest we're walking through now. I'm going to try the hyperview again to get the vibe of walking through the forest. It's so pretty around here. There's the Pug in hyperview. Oof. Don't know if hyperview is good or bad. Is it irritating or is it cool? Okay, alright, nice bit here. Coming up towards the Semaphore Tower in a minute. Just strolling through this bit first. Still keeping hyperview for the moment. Ow. Oh. Just because it seems kind of fun. Oh wait, here we go, here's a signpost for the Semaphore Tower. Here we go. Chatley Heath, this is actually cool, intriguingly enough. Semaphore Tower. This way. They're really cool. Loads of sort of Christmas trees everywhere here. Cool. So here we are. This is the Semaphore Tower. So we're back on widescreen for this bit. You can sort of see the horizon hopefully over there, how far you could send a light. And this is the Semaphore Tower. Let's walk up to it. Okay, so here we are, Semaphore Tower. This is the wide, isn't it? You can't really tell it's wide, I wouldn't have said. Maybe you can. It's not linear, but kind of funky Semaphore Tower here, isn't it? You can actually stay the night there. There's a little bit of info about it over here. Let's see what it says. The Semaphore Tower, Chatley Heath, probably heard that before. A 5-storey octagonal brick tower in front of you was built in 1822. It was once one of 15 semaphore stations in the Royal Navy's vital communications chain from Atomy House in London to Portsmouth Dockyard. It's the only surviving working semaphore tower in Britain. Oh, you can see the widescreen. Okay, so heading back on down here, put it on horizon, levelling again now. So linear and horizon leveling. So this should be like pretty much as normal field of views you get, no wide, no hyper view or anything. So it's just interesting to see which looks better, which gives you more vibe. This video is probably really just for myself. Just used the media mod for the sound today, not the proper Rode go-to lavalier microphones. Oh, there's the plug here. It's just still up there. Because I just really wanted to see, as it should, the settings on this one work both ways, forwards or back. Otherwise you always have only got the forwards or the back of the medium mod microphone working, which was irritating, especially in Katz's Deli, and you couldn't hear us very well because it was the back microphone that was working better. But now you should hear me both the same, front or back. Alright, let's keep going on down to Ockham Bites. Kind of funky little Christmas tree here that people put baubles on, which is kind of cool. Look at them, I like that. Nice.
Quite a nice bauble, that one.
It's quite a nice bauble, isn't it? It's pouring with rain, but the colours are beautiful here today. All those pinky, soft, ochre, buttery colours. Right, so this is the part of the M25 improvements, as it were, and this is a wasteland that has been created. Absolutely looks like there's been some nuclear war. Right, it's falling off the trees. There's just nothing here. There used to be so much stuff. Oh, the mirrors, the screens are misting up. There used to be all sorts of things here. Now it's just a wasteland. Wasteland. It's really bizarre when you want to see the wasteland. It really is a wasteland. Look at that. Absolute wasteland. I think the idea is this is sort of regrow heath or something, but we'll see what happens. If they manage to grow anything on the wasteland, like this thing looks like. The wasteland. And my trousers are really wet. Okay, so we've got Ockham Bites. It's pouring rain. This is the car park where Ockham Bites is. And there's Ockham Bites itself there, like a cool little, what would you call it, burger place, where we're going to get a couple of double cheeseburgers and a cup of coffee. We're heading back to Wisley, basically. The pug's happy. Okay, got the burger. It's actually pretty damn tasty, baby. Oh. God. Double cheeseburger. Pug. He's enjoying his as well.
They're really good with overreacting.
Oh no, they're good. What do you think?
6.
6?
Maybe 7.
I'll give it an 8. Hang on, Jeff, it's coming. Okay, thought I'd film this bridge in hyper view as we go over it. And Pug eating his burger. And Pug. Pug loves a bit of hyper view burger.
And he wants the meat.
He only likes the meat. You try giving him the bread, but he doesn't always eat it. You gonna eat the bread, Vicky, later? Oh. No. He only likes the meat. Come on, Jeff. Right, let's go over this bridge. Come on, Jeff, let's get over this bridge. That's the A3 units. So this bridge heading down towards the M25 there, which is why it's such an insane queue. Partly caused by this insane roadworks, which will take 2 years or something mad. The bridge looks quite cool in hyper view, I reckon. Look that backwards. Very long arm. This way looks quite cool. Midgets having a quick look. Where's the purple pipe guy? I don't know. Very purple though, isn't it? And here we are. Maybe this is Ockham Common. On the other side of the A3 now, heading down to this nice little lake that's down here. Nice lake bit here. Mini lake, beautiful colours.
You like going there?
It's kind of pretty in this little area here with all these little trees there and everything. Like a little sort of farm things and a little caravan there. It's nice down here. We'll see the cows in a minute. This is a weird 8.7 view. I've been on 16.9, which I assume is widescreen. Now this is a weird square view. Not quite why you'd use the square view. Intriguing. Don't get it. 56% battery left. There's a rather nice field here. Oh, that's better. I've changed the...
You fancy eating at Dartford or chicken butt?
Dartford. Oh, these lovely cows and stuff, but you can't really see them, but they're over there. Nice black and white cows. Really lovely. M25 over there. Hello cows that look the same, not all related. Hello cows. Nice, aren't they?
Hello striped cows.
Hello stripers. Hey stripers. Just so beautiful this bit of the walk. It's gorgeous. Ferns blowing in the wind. Pugs snuffling them. It's a gorgeous, gorgeous little spot here. Love this bit. Beautiful puddles reflecting the light everywhere all around you. It's amazing. Yeah, just trying another bit of hyper lens as we walk through this bit. Going back towards Wisley now. I think this bit's so beautiful here, these trees, it's just amazing. Kind of nice just to stroll through this bit looking at the trees in hyper view. So we're back at RHS Wisley Gardens where we started. It's the shop here, which we're going to go into in a minute. It's the overpriced Christmas baubles. It's a Christmas tree. They've got this thing called Glow on at the moment where all the trees and stuff are lit up, which actually sounds quite cool when you can see. But you can see some like lit up trees here. But anyway, yeah, so we're going to go inside the shop, have a little snoop around, see the expensive things. Wisley shop. Got some cool animal toys in here. It's a beautifully made shop, looks gorgeous, but everything was just insanely expensive. And how much these crackers are. Oh, can't find the price. 25% off. Because it's after Christmas now. Here you go, £17 for a box of crackers. Be afraid. Right, what else can we find in here? Okay, we found a giant bauble. There's the giant bauble. How much is the giant bauble?
£48.
£48 for a giant bauble. Come on, Pug, what do you think about that? Good? Bad? Let's keep going. Come on, everybody. Ow! Jeff, what are you doing? Jeff, have you gone mad? Have you gone mad? Why have you gone mad? Why have you gone mad? Tell Daddy. Why have you gone mad? Why have you gone mad?
His eyeball.
Oh, mad. He's just had a 5-mile walk and now he's gone mad. Look. See some of these lights in the dark actually look quite cool, don't they? It's quite funky, this bit of Wisley with the lights. Then you got the house over there, it looks good in the dark. Let's walk up past the house. There you go, this is the house at Wisley. Actually looks really cool with all the lit up like this. It's kind of 3D back towards the expensive shop and the flashing lights. Anyway, I'll do a separate film on Glow. That tree looks quite good red. Hi everybody, so that's the end of this one. A bit of a crazy ramble. More normally it's about food and travel. Today was a bit more about playing with the Hero Black 12, but I think you may as well make a film at the same time. Anyway, Darth is up with the same. Bye bye. See you soon.